She is so ready to travel. Ooh.
Hi everyone, it's my video today. We're gonna do the
Wait.
Hi everyone, it's my channel today. We're gonna do a part 2 of the Minnie Mouse because we forgot to do that, but now we did the doll because I love this doll, Mommy. I like my mom's doll, so cute. But I want Mama to keep it. But I thought she was gonna keep it, but I could keep it. But it's so cute. But now we're gonna do this one. But this one is like the same as this. But if you see in here, that's just the doll for it. But this is not the doll.
You think we should buy that, the Minnie Mouse doll too?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that one too. I like Ariel and I also like this one. Right?
Yeah.
So,
Mama, my mom was thinking of the doll.
because I really like it. It's so pretty. Show the doll again. Like, I've never been so fascinated with any dolls except for these dolls. They are so adorable.
I love her doll.
Yeah.
I
So,
like my
actually, this is my doll. It's not Cassie's doll right now, right, Cass?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's Mama's doll. Ah, so pretty. Right? It is so adorable. Okay.
Here it is.
Okay.
It's just like a puppy or cat. I don't know if it's a puppy.
So we'll show them. So this Ariel doll is actually a different one. And then this Minnie Mouse set, we got this one at Target. So this
They're
Minnie
both
Mouse
in
set.
Target.
Yes, this Minnie Mouse set, it has also a different doll.
Now let's open
This is a
it.
Minnie Mouse inspired.
Now
But
let's
we can
open
still
it.
use it. Okay.
Now can
Are
we
you
open
ready?
it?
Yes, we can. Open it nicely, huh?
This is how slow you go.
This is what?
This is how slow that you go. But this is how fast.
Let me know if you need help, okay?
I don't need help.
Are you sure?
Yeah. How do I open this?
Oh, what is that one? Let's show it. So these
ripped it.
dolls, so we're actually planning on collecting all of these dolls. These are so cute. Look at Ariel, baby.
You're
She
so
has this one.
Ariel sus.
She has the skateboard. Amazing. Huh? Uh-oh, are you okay? Okay, let's show it. So the set comes with, look at that. So she has her own pet, sunglasses, and then a headset, a suitcase, what else? A sandal, and also a traveling pillow. Okay, I can help you. I can
Here
help.
it is. Let's open it. It's so here. Aw, I like this side. Oh, I can free him. He's free. I love it.
Okay, show it.
Glasses here.
Glasses. What else? No, that won't fit you. No, don't do else. Ooh, the suitcase.
Let me see what's in
This is so cute. Look at the suitcase.
there. Oh, a jacket. Some shoes.
And the shoes.
Shoesy.
Ooh, so pretty, huh?
So this is the shoes. So cute. And this is a fluffy pillow for your neck, like that.
When she travels.
a headset.
Okay. And what else? Okay, what about her dress?
And her puppy.
Oh, her pet too. What is that one? Is that a puppy or a cat?
Maybe it's a cat.
It looks like a cat to me.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah, it is a cat.
Yes, a boy.
And then show the...
Look at his elbow and hole in the butt.
Okay.
And then we have
Ooh, that is so fancy.
a I can't see.
Super fancy. Okay. And then, what else
We
is in
have
the box?
glasses.
Okay, the glasses. The sunglasses. So she actually has two right now. Uh-oh. Be careful.
See, I told you we don't need the scissors.
Oh, okay. That's okay. So you're gonna dress her up now? Are you gonna dress up Ariel? Does it fit her? Be careful. Don't destroy that.
No.
It won't fit her? Are you sure? Yeah, it does. If not, you can try. You can put it on an Ariel.
Mommy, yeah, have to use the scissors.
Why?
Oh, there.
No, I don't want to take it out from here.
Yo.
So we're gonna show Ariel's outfit first. So she has something for the beach,
Yeah.
and then she actually has a sandal.
Yeah. But
Mhm.
we actually took it off.
Yeah, and then we're gonna change it because Ariel is traveling today.
Yeah.
She's traveling somewhere. What about Jojo Siwa? I wanna go too. What about me? Okay. Oh,
She's gonna wear this.
She can wear. Oh.
I know it's gonna fit that. I knew it.
Ooh, it fits on her. Look at the sandal.
I want to change this.
Okay, you can change it.
Look.
Oh, it goes together.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. I can
need
help you.
scissors.
No. You don't have to do that. Okay.
No, you put this here.
No, actually, you can do it like this when you open it, and when you close it, you can just put this one in here. Yeah, hold on. She's gonna wear that. So this one goes in here.
Yeah, but she.
And traveling. Tuk, 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 tuk.
No, it's not yet. It's not done yet.
Oh, you still have something to put on the luggage? Okay. Open it. There you go.
And we put this.
No, you're gonna put it on for her.
What? I'm
Yeah.
not putting this on.
Yes, you are. Okay. Put it on.
I can't move.
She wants to wear a blazer. Or she wants to wear a coat. Is it ready?
No.
Do you need...
Yes, I got it.
She has a fur coat.
I can't feel her.
Cassie's actually having a hard time right now putting on the fur coat.
I can't do
So I'm gonna help her.
it.
Okay.
It's supposed to be right here.
Okay, just have the luggage ready because her flight is gonna be daughter. Oh yeah, her
Yeah.
daughter.
Her dog is gonna hold.
Cassey, you better get ready, Cassey.
Okay, I'll grab your puppy. She's gonna hold the puppy.
She's gonna hold the puppy.
Yeah.
She doesn't have shoes. Yeah, you lost her shoes. Cassey, you always lose your shoes. That's why.
Okay, Mom, I'm ready. Uh-oh.
Is your passport ready?
I forgot, where is it?
Oh, you need your passport. Because we're gonna be traveling out of the country.
Oh, where's it mine?
What's that?
Okay, I'll find mine. Oh, there it is. Now we're just gonna put it in our luggage.
Now I am so ready. I am so ready to travel.
Mom, can you hold this bag?
Yes.
It's too heavy.
You mean the luggage?
Yes.
It is so heavy for you?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're ready. And I have my luggage here with
Oh
me.
yeah, I forgot that.
You have to put that one in the luggage. I need my extra clothes. Okay, put my clothes in the luggage, Cassey.
Okay. Forgot that. The beach is there too.
Yep. We're going to travel. We're going to travel to the Philippines.
No, hotel.
Oh, you're gonna go to a hotel? We're gonna go to the Philippines. We're gonna visit Auntie Jen.
No, I don't want to.
Why not?
I don't want.
Cassey, you're gonna visit your auntie.
No.
Okay, I need to visit my sister. Ding 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 ding. Get ready.
I'm going to be big.
Okay, is it ready? Do you need my help?
Maybe.
Okay. Because you're not supposed to. Okay.
Mommy, can we bring?
Here, I am so ready to travel to the Philippines,
Why is
Cassey.
my shoes falling off?
Look at my shoes. It's so pretty. And my headset and my sunglasses. Woohoo! Hey, where's my pet? This is so nice, huh, babes?
The pet is jumping. You're gonna be okay, baby.
Okay, I need to go now. I need to go to the airport.
Okay, I'll go.
Okay, get ready.
Okay.
And my luggage is already. Here's my luggage.
Okay.
And
Let's go.
I have my headset on. How about you,
Mama.
Cassey? Are you ready to travel?
My kitty's scared to travel.
Oh no. So she has her pet, her luggage,
Mama?
and she is so ready to fly.
Mama, I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and bye.